Hello everyone! In this video, I will be sketching with watercolor directly with a brush this nice little scene of a woman enjoying her time under a red umbrella at this cute little restaurant from Stockholm. The purpose of this approach of sketching directly with a brush is to practice expressing yourself in a simple way to achieve better brush control and also have fun painting in a quick and loose way. I first found out about this exercise of sketching directly with the brush from a video of Mark Taro Holmes. He's a great artist and a great urban sketcher. He runs a website called Citizen Sketcher. And I was also inspired to paint in this way, directly with the brush, quite fast and eliminating all the unneeded details after reading one of my favorite art books that is called The Art Spirit and was written by Robert Henri in 1929. The paragraph that really inspired me is this one, and I quote, "You, as students, should devote yourselves to the power of simple expressions, to do all that can be done and learn how much can be said with the simpler and more fundamental terms." This paragraph really had an impact on me because the advice he is giving to young artists is to try to simply express your message in art. And I think what he also meant is to try to understand what really attracts you. Why did you choose to paint this specific subject? And try to keep close to you that exact feeling and try to convey it as easily as you can and as you see it. This is of course only my interpretation on this paragraph, and I can understand that it might be hard for you to connect only with one paragraph. But I think this book is truly a treasure for inspiration, for transmitting to you a deeper and more profound feeling towards art, towards beauty, and towards happiness. Actually, towards living and towards being a human. I've read a review about it. A person there was saying that she wished she would have discovered this book early on in her career. And I can strongly agree with that. That's why I warmly recommend this book for you to read. And I'll put a link to this book in the description below. So, painting directly with a brush is a way of going all in. It's a way to really commit and follow your impulse of sketching on the moment and express your vision in a simple way. If you are in the mood of painting and you are really excited to start painting, it will be much easier. But if you are not in the mood of painting, it might not work so well, because this way of sketching is very spontaneous, and at the beginning it can feel quite unnatural. But I think it becomes easier after a few attempts, and it is also a very fun way of painting because you get immediate results. So for me, what initially attracted me to paint this subject is the lovely red umbrella with its specific shape, creating a red light on the woman sitting under it during a sunny afternoon in Stockholm. There are many things happening in the background, and there are also many other umbrellas next to this one. But this was the one that I really liked the most and grabbed my attention while I was walking in the city. And I'm trying to express what I see in this reference as simple as I can, with one color only, mainly, with one brush only, and with no preliminary pencil sketch. I start directly in watercolor with a warm red having a bit of yellow in it and paint the upper part of the umbrella. Then I continue with the underside of the umbrella with a cooler red, because this part is in shadow, and I'm also leaving some white areas, unpainted areas, to achieve a vibration in the sketch. One of the tips that I can share with you for painting directly with a brush is to use a soft brush that holds a lot of water and holds a lot of pigment. This helps in keeping the flow going, so you can paint more in one go and you don't have to reload your brush so often. Here I'm trying to suggest the background and things that are happening in the background in a simple way. Let me know in a comment below if you've enjoyed this video, if you knew about the book The Art Spirit, and if you have any tips or suggestions for future videos. Now take care and see you in the next video.